The Nilight 4Pcs car Underglow neon accent strip lights are an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's aesthetic appeal. Combining vibrant colors, music synchronization, and easy installation, these lights deliver a fantastic way to personalize and elevate the driving experience. Potential buyers should be aware of local regulations regarding vehicle lighting, as excessively bright or flashing lights may not be street legal in some areas. Installation is straightforward, with the package including everything necessary for setup. The adhesive backing allows for easy placement under the vehicle, and the strips are flexible enough to bend around curves without compromising their brightness or integrity. The wireless remote control is user-friendly, providing quick access to change colors, adjust brightness, and activate sound modes effortlessly. Designed to withstand various weather conditions and road debris.